Welcome guys to this 15-minute somatic practice. So this is a practice where we are going to bring our awareness inside and we're going to move and get the body moving to get the joints lubricated and just to get yourself feeling a little bit more energetic and tuned into your body. Alright, so we're just going to start the practice by closing the eyes, resting the hands on the knees. Take a couple of deep breaths in and out. Deep breath in and out. And I want you to keep breathing in this way. And as you breathe in, I really want you to bring all of your attention inside your body. Disconnect from everything that is around you and connect to yourself. Breathing in connection. Breathing out any disconnection that needs to be released. Good. Take one more. We're now going to roll the shoulders, okay? So the most important thing about somatic practice is it looks however it looks for you and it feels however it feels for you. So do not look at how I am moving to try to replicate how I am moving or think that there is an expectation on how you need to move. Just move and tune into your body and feel into your body. All right. So we're going to take some shoulder rolls. So taking a big inhale as we bring them up to the shoulders, up to the ears, sorry, and exhale, let it go. Inhale, exhale. Doesn't matter what direction you're going in, because we will change. Close down the eyes if you want to deepen your connection or you struggle and you get distracted from what's around you. And if focusing on the movement and the breath is too much, just do the movement, forget about the breath, just let the breath happen naturally, like so. And then let's change direction. If you need to put your legs out straight, please do so. Excuse me. Please do so. And then gently come into stillness. Let's just take a deep breath in and out. Beautiful. We're now going to take some hip rolls. So we're going to go out to the right side, tuning into the body, out to the front, out to the back of the left side, and all the way out again. So tuning into the hips here, we hold a lot of tension in our hips, a lot of emotions, especially us women. So really feel into what's going on here. And maybe you want to take the legs out wider and you want to come out here and you want to move from here. Maybe you want to come up here and move from here. It's so important that we really tune into us and feeling into what we need. What does your body need? How does your body want to move? If we want to incorporate the breath, it's inhaling as we come forward, exhaling as we come back. Maybe the movement is slow, maybe the movement is a little quick. It doesn't matter. I want you to tune in deeper now into the hips and ask yourself to connect that little bit deeper and see what emotions you may be able to tune into and feel in those hips of yours. Maybe if you have had a child, maybe you had a cesarean, or you didn't have such a smooth birth, there could be some tension that is still stored here. So if there is, just be very gentle and loving with yourself and use your breath to let you feel anything that you need to feel. And let's change direction. And if something does come up, just stay with your breath and your body and just let yourself know that you are safe. And remember that when we move in different directions, it will feel different. Maybe as we tune in that little deeper, it feels different because there's more that's coming to the surface. So we're really moving this energy here that is stored in the hips. Moving in this circular movement down all the way to our roots. Take one more. And then gently come back to the center. We're going to release the legs and I want you to shake them off. So use your hands to support you and really go for some, giving them a shake. You don't have to go for some hard, you can go for some going soft here. So just really allowing yourself to have a little shake and just move that energy. Maybe take the legs now in and out. Maybe we go slow. Maybe we go fast. Maybe we go in between. Doesn't matter. Keep your eyes closed to stay tuned into yourself and to really feel into the body. Maybe you really want to move them and move that tension in the ankles. And then I'm going to invite you now to come to a lay-in position. We're going to take the arms out long to the side. Feet come to the outer edges of the mat. And we're going to move left to right. So letting both knees fall down to the left side, back into the center, and back to the right side. Into the center. And I want you just to keep doing this and focus on what you feel inside. Maybe there is a slight pause. Maybe there is a hold. If we are holding and we're not going to continue moving, I invite you to really focus on feeling the energy within. Notice what is coming up here, or notice how much deeper you can go into that space. Remembering that this is your practice and this is all about you. It's all about your body and listening to your body and moving it in a way that it wants to move, not how others are moving or you've been told to move. I'm going to stay here for a couple of minutes exploring this. So I'll leave you now in silence for a couple of minutes. Please move as you wish. and then gently slowing it down. I invite you to join me back in the center. And if you can, I want you to bring your knees in towards your chest, or just up is okay. And I just want you to make some movements left to right. Now, an alternative is to actually come to the wall and put your feet on the wall. So if you are near a wall, grab a wall and just gently touch them. And then just now move from side to side through the back of the hips and the lower back. Maybe we come onto the tiptoes. We let one foot come off of the wall as we move. Maybe we're here, that's okay. Maybe we want to start taking some circles now. And then when you're ready, come into stillness. Take a deep breath in and out. Let the legs drop down. Take the arms out nice and wide. Take a deep breath in. Sigh out. Deep breath in. Sigh out. Deep breath in. And sigh out. And then when you're ready, we're going to finish laying on our front. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a nice pillow for our head, or you can grab a pillow if you have one. And all we're going to do is move from side to side. So again, I'm going to be quiet and I want you just to let the hips move. So we're pushing the hips down into the ground. Focus on your breathing. And focus on really feeling inside the body. Feeling into the hips. Inquire within. Try to relax your shoulders. Take a couple more. And then come into stillness in the center. And let's just breathe here. We're going to take 5 deep, long, slow breaths. In and out. Deep breath in and take one more. And then just let the breath return back to its nice natural rhythm. Maybe take the head to one side. Just take a moment here to check in on the body again. Relax any muscles you may have noticed that you're holding tension. And just let yourself be in this moment. Take in one more breath. And then gently, very, very gently, bringing yourself back up into a seated position. Here, let's just take one big deep breath together to finish our practice. Deep breath in and out. And if your eyes are closed, gently open them. Thank you so much for joining. I'm sure that was a beautiful releasing practice for you. The hips, we hold so much tension in them, so it's really nice to just give them that time and give them that movement as well as that somatic journey. It's just, I love it. It's very beautiful. Thank you again. Please subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video. Check out our other somatic videos. There should be a little pop-up that comes on the side up the top. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.